Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring this 2006 Learjet 45XR to market. This aircraft has an outstanding pedigree and no damage history. It is based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and is operated under Part 135 regulation. The aircraft is powered by two Honeywell TFE 731-20BR-1B engines. Both engines and the APU are enrolled on the Honeywell MSP program. The cockpit features Honeywell Primus 1000 avionics. It is equipped with dual UNS 1EW FMS systems with WAS, LPV, and GPS. The aircraft received new paint and interior in 2018. It has a total of 8 seats plus an aft-belted lavatory. The interior features 100% beige wool carpet, burlwood veneer woodwork, and Tapas natural leather seats. The lower sidewalls, upper sidewalls, and headliner are ultra leather Tapas natural. The exterior base is Matterhorn white with Virga blue and titanium accents. Contact us today to learn more about this amazing opportunity.